5,010 minutes after departure.
Hey folks, fly like, well, no, we're not fly like a pro anymore. What are we? Next Gen, yes, we're Next Gen Aviation. Changed the name from Fly Like a Pro, so thanks for continuing to watch. When you share with your friends, we're now Next Gen Aviation. Right, today we're doing a little intro flight for a couple of young fellas. You want to introduce yourself?
Miles, nice to see you.
Miles, we have JP in the back. His headsets are not plugged in, so you're not going to hear him. And of course, Cameron's hanging with us today as well. We're giving these guys a little taste of general aviation. Miles is interested in earning his PPL, so hopefully this will wet his feet, wet his wings, give him a great taste of private flying, and he'll pursue that field. And we're trying to convince JP as well, so maybe he'll catch the bug too. But in any case, we're here at Farmingdale waiting for clearance out of the Bravo run-up. We're going to head over to Brookhaven, swap seats, and then head back to Farmingdale, quick up and down.
Charlie ground taxi,
and enjoy a great afternoon. The weather finally cleared. It's been, what, like 12 or 13 days of rain. And today it's nice. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, but, you know, anything can happen one day to the next with weather. So, once again, thank you guys for supporting us, Next Gen Aviation. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and we'll see you shortly. Up base.
Yep. Good speed traffic.
Up traffic. Cast Sky Hawk. 6.5.
Delta, clear for takeoff, southeast on.
Clear for takeoff, 71 Delta.
Who's next to departure?
9004 Whiskey,
power.
short, Bravo 6,
Alright, keep your hand on the throttle right here. Okay, feet are on the rudder, we're steering. And we want to put in a little bit of right rudder because the propeller wants to move the airplane to the left. Airspeed's alive, we're at 50 knots. And we set 60, there's 55, it's 60, pull gently. Right, rotate. There's that stall horn, but we're not stalling. We're good. Our vertical speed is good. Okay, we're going to keep the airplane lined up. There's Suni over there. To the left, see that green building?
Yep,
that's Suni.
We're going to traffic from Warrior going around and left down here.
Traffic, White Tiger.
Okay, and while we're turning, right, see this little ball right here?
Yep.
Right, if it's off to the right, we're going to give it a little bit of right rudder and then bring it back to the center.
Southern Whiskey Bike entering, or 3 miles, entering left downwind for runway 1. Depart.
Right, in your private pilot check ride, you get 100 feet in either direction. So you could be 100 feet lower than your assigned altitude or 100 feet higher. Try not to do that. Right, try to keep it on that altitude. What heading we're supposed to roll out at?
340.
What heading are we at?
330.
Which is the runway that everyone seems to be calling. And we're going to do a 45 entry into the pattern. So we're going to...
Northwest 45, forward, Gunter 4350 Golf, departing the pattern to the south. Thank you.
And Brookhaven traffic wide Cherokee.
3 Brookhaven.
Okay. He's turning the final. Okay, 70 knots. So, right here is still isolated airspace, so I'm going to do a little turn to the right so I don't go into it.
Brookhaven traffic Warrior.
On the control.
Brookhaven traffic, clear out Warrior, midfield left downwind 33, southwest, departure, Brookhaven knockfall. Brookhaven traffic, Warrior 140 Lima Hotel, turning final for 33, Brookhaven.
Down checklist is here. Alright, so here, approach, go around after landing. We just did that. Securing avionics are off. Alright, so that's off, that's off. This is off, fast.
Okay, start coming up on your power. We're clear. Keep going. Take your foot off the brakes. Keep your hand on the power. Foot off the brakes. Watch your airspeed. Keep the center line. Watch your airspeed. Keep the center line. Watch your airspeed. 45, 55. All right, get a little bit more speed. So it's trying to fly itself off the ground. Slowly pull back slowly, pull back slowly, pull. There you go. Keep it just like that, Right. 500 feet per minute. You don't want to keep it, you want to be able to see over the nose. Lower your nose a little bit. Perfect. Good job. Right. There goes that airport over there. Right. So straighten it out. Good. Perfect. Beautiful. I'm going to go up to about 3,000 feet. So keep looking out. The horizon's going to help you. Keep it coming down.
Number 1, Equus 11.
Pick it to the touchdown zone there. That big white spot. Yep. You're going to aim for one. Touchdown on that. Okay. And we are over the threshold. Power coming out. Let it
Wind
come down.
33014, gust 17.
Let it come down. See all the floating.
And holding.
I'm Miles, I'm 15. I'm JP, I'm 16.
And is this your first time flying a single engine?
This is my first time flying a single engine, yes.
And what do you think of the flight itself?
I thought it was very nice. It's compared to an airliner, it's definitely a lot more choppy, but you definitely get a better feel for the airplane.
Okay, did you get a chance to use the controls?
I did get a chance to use the controls, yeah.
And how does it feel to be in control of your own flight?
It felt a lot like home.
Yeah.
For my simulator time back at home, it was very nice to get a feel for the airplane.
So you use Flight Sim. What inspired you to start aviation flying?
So when I was younger, my dad, he worked for the post office. He actually had like a model airplane downstairs in his basement. And when I saw that, I was always inspired as I thought it was very cool. So once I found out that it was a career to be a pilot, I knew that was what I wanted to do.
Okay, and JP, what did you think of his flying?
Thought it was very good.
Yeah. Do you think, did you get a chance to use the controls?
No, not really.
Not this time? Why not?
I really wanted to let him do it because that was...
In the future, do you see yourself grabbing the controls yourself?
Maybe if I do it again, yeah.
And what do you think, where do you think you want to see yourself in the future? Like airlines or...
I definitely would like to see myself in the airlines, hiding with those big passenger jets.
Okay, fantastic.
I don't really know yet.
You'll be his passenger.
Yeah, I'll be his passenger.
All right, great job, guys. I had the opportunity to fly with Miles.
Yep.
He was awesome. Actually, let me turn it this way. All right, I had the opportunity to fly with Miles. He was awesome. I told him to climb to a particular altitude, and he had the climb power set, and we're making our way up there. I got distracted for half a second. We were at 3,000, and instinctively he adjusted the throttle to level off. I heard it and I looked up and told him how impressed I was that he knew how to do that stuff. All right, so if you're interested in a career in flying, right, he said Flight Sim got him going. Right, Flight Sim gives you good experience. It's not the real thing, but it's good enough to get you to a certain point, so that when you get behind the controls of the airplane, you're not wasting time trying to figure out what to do. All right, excellent flying today.
Thank you very much.
All right, excellent passenger. He didn't complain too much, and we'll see you guys again soon.
Yep.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
All right. And tell your friends, Next Gen Aviation, like, share, and subscribe. Go.
Well, guys, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Aviation.
Cool. Thank you.